Today I am going to make macaroni with cheese. First of all, we need to cook pasta in salted boiled water around 1 to 2 minutes until they become tender. Then drain pasta and keep it aside. Then we need to grate all the cheese. Now in a pan, melt butter on medium heat. After that, add flour and cook around 1 minute until it starts bubbling. Gradually add milk and stir continuously. Then add salt and pepper and cook until this becomes a little bit thicker. Now we need to turn off the heat and add cheese. Add pasta and combine thoroughly with cheese. Now we can transfer this mixture into a baking pan. In another bowl, mix breadcrumbs with butter and salt. Spread this on top of macaroni. After that, bake this around 25 to 30 minutes under 190 degrees Celsius. This is our delicious baked macaroni with cheese. This extra cheesy macaroni with a crispy topping will be a great recipe for everyone. Subscribe my channel, ring the bell, hit like and comment.